Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Gather and measure everything first so the process stays quick and smooth. Use 3 KitKat bars broken into chunks, 2 scoops vanilla ice cream, and 1 cup whole milk for a rich shake. Add 1/2 cup crushed ice to increase thickness, 1 tablespoon chocolate syrup for extra cocoa, and a pinch of salt to enhance flavor. Put glasses in the freezer for 5 minutes while you blend. This step keeps the shake colder longer and prevents early melting, so you serve a thick, creamy drink. Layer ingredients in the blender for best texture. Milk first, then ice cream, syrup, crushed ice, salt, and 2 broken KitKat bars. Pulse twice to break large chunks, then blend 20 seconds at medium-high so the shake becomes smooth but still has visible chocolate streaks. Stop and scrape sides if necessary, using a tamper or spoon to press the mixture down toward the blades. Reserve 1 full KitKat for garnish, and fold in 1/4 cup chopped pieces with a few short pulses to keep crunch. Pour the finished shake into chilled glasses immediately to preserve texture. Top each glass with a whole KitKat perched on the rim, a dollop of whipped cream, and a 1 teaspoon drizzle of chocolate syrup for presentation. For a thicker shake, use 3 scoops of ice cream and reduce milk to 3/4 cup. For a milkier, thinner version, add an extra 1/4 cup whole milk and omit the crushed ice. Serve with a wide straw and a long spoon to scoop melted chocolate and crunchy KitKat pieces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.